In a world governed by patterns and structures, where chaos dances alongside order, there exists a profound truth waiting to be unveiled. Welcome to the universe of fractals, a realm where complexity reveals itself in simplicity. From the delicate spirals of seashells to the majestic branching of trees, fractals are not merely mathematical curiosities. They are the very fabric that weaves together our reality. Each twist and turn tells a story, a narrative encoded within nature itself. But what if you could harness this ancient wisdom? What if understanding these patterns could illuminate your path towards financial prosperity? Introducing Fractalmanac, Know Your Fractals, Know Your Future, the 2187 edition. This groundbreaking book is more than just pages filled with equations. It is your guide through the labyrinthine corridors of finance, a map leading you from uncertainty into clarity. Here at Favourable Group, I believe that knowledge is power, and understanding fractals can unlock new realms of opportunity. Imagine being able to predict market trends as effortlessly as observing nature's rhythms. With Fractalmanac, you will learn how ancient principles align seamlessly with modern investment strategies, guiding you through crowdfunding ventures and speculative opportunities alike. Join me on this journey toward enlightenment. By supporting our crowdfunding campaign for Fractalmanac, you are not only investing in your future but also participating in a movement that democratizes wealth creation for all. So take this step forward. Embrace the beauty of fractals. Their elegance reflects our own potential for growth and harmony within society. Together, let us navigate this cosmic dance toward abundance.